Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Poppy's Vlogs. So for today's vlog guys, I got this bird's house from dollar store. So it's cheaper to go to dollar store. They got good stuff there than other stores guys. So I got this from dollar store and it just cost me around $4 for the bird's house. And I already filled this in guys with bird's feed. So this is the bird's feed that we got. We got the Great Value. It's a good brand guys. It's cheaper and we can get this from any stores that we can go. Like they have it in Walmart, Superstore, or specifically if you want to get this, you can get it at pet shop. So I just use these guys to get our bird's feed. So, I need to fill in the entire house. So that's what they said. So I need this measuring cup so we can fill it in easily guys. And now we got the hummingbird feeder here. So what we're going to do, we'll turn this upside down because we need to put in the food for our hummingbird. So this is the food of the hummingbird and it's called the Perky Pet Hummingbird Ready to Use Nectar. So we need to use our funnel. Let me show you guys. And then we need to fill in up to here guys. Yeah, the stick that you're seeing here, we use this to poke these flowers here. I think based on my own idea, just in case it becomes hard, we can just poke the holes so that the birds can, or the hummingbirds can still take their food from the tiny holes here guys. So let me just get this one, and then we need to use this funnel guys. So it's easy for us to put the nectar in. So we just keep on going guys until we get the right measurement. We should go higher guys. So I think this is enough for now. Then what we're going to do, we need to put this thing onto the top. Just need to lock it. Then we need to turn it upside down guys. There we go. And then I got this wire here guys because I plan to hang this on my deck. So I just got this wire from dollar store. I actually use this wire when I decorate my Christmas decorations. So we got this, and then I'll go out now to hang this on our deck because I want it to be pretty accessible. Every time we wake up, we can see the hummingbirds around. By the way guys, before I forget, so we also got another one here, and it's called the Window View Hummingbird Feeder. So this is the one that we have on box. So you just attach it on the glass, and then you put the nectar feeder here, and then the birds can easily access on the nectar. So this is for the window guys. So basically you just put the nectar here and then attach it on the window. So we got this thing here that we can put here, and then the other one here, and we can attach it on our glass window, guys. See? And we put this nectar. So just same thing, guys. It's just a different way of feeding them. This one we hang this one, and this one we attach it on the glass window. So I open this. Put our nectar here. Glass of nectar, guys. I'm sure our hummingbirds will be happy about this, guys. Keep on going. And then we'll close this one. And we're ready to attach this on the glass window, guys. There you go. So at least I was able to show you guys the things that we need to use to feed our birds. I got this bird's house. I got this thing to feed our hummingbirds, and we also got this thing that we can attach on our glass window to feed our hummingbirds, guys. So I'll just hang this outside and I'll show you in a few minutes, guys.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, we already attached our bird feeder here. This is specifically for our hummingbird, guys. So this is the nectar, and we attach it on our glass window. We're just a little worried about it because it's our first time to put bird feeder on our glass. So let's see how it goes, guys, like with the glass window. Hopefully it stays here overnight. We'll keep you updated, guys. Oh, we got our other hummingbird feeder here. This is the one that I need to hang. So I need to use our wire, guys. Hopefully it fits. And hang on. Tie this up. And just in case I'll see even just one hummingbird, guys, I'll just get ready with my camera and take a footage of it, guys, so that you see how a hummingbird looks like, guys. So we got the nectar here, and we're going to put their beak in here. They got long beak, guys, so they can get the nectar into these tiny holes, guys. I got the bird's house here, so I'm going to put this bird's house over there. Yeah, so I can already hear our birds crying and chirping at the same time. They're really excited to eat our birds. Maybe I need to get another bird's house, so we'll see more birds, guys. So there we go, that's our bird's house. And in a few minutes you'll see birds around flying and munch their favorite snacks. We got a hole here, the food comes out here, and there's also another side here. There's also this side where the food comes out too. So this is our simple bird's house, guys. And later on, we'll take a video of birds coming in here. So that's our vlog, guys, for our episode today in our Poppy's Vlogs, guys. So I hope you enjoy, and we got an idea about bird's house and what to feed on our hummingbirds. You can put it on your backyard, or you can also put it on the front yard of your house. So if you like nature, if you like to see birds, and you like to, witness how they eat the food, it's a good experience, guys. So until next time, guys, don't Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment guys, and hit the notification bell button for more updates of my vlogs guys. Till next time, bye bye and peace out guys.